In this video, I'm going to show you why you will never be rich and why this will be the truth if you do not follow these simple steps. Welcome to Cuzza Finance. I am Cuzza and today I'm going to show you why you will never be rich. Pause this video, grab a notepad and pen because this is going to be a good one. Continue watching until the end of the video because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: do you think money is the root of all evil? If so, why? Comment your answer below. I'm looking forward to reading them. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon and the world's current richest man. He makes an estimated $4,474,885 per hour. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of the social media platform Facebook, makes $1,712,328 per hour. And Warren Buffett, legendary investor, makes $958,904 per hour. To put this in perspective, the average American male makes $24.98 per hour. How does this make you feel? It may disgust or sicken some of you. Or it may make you hungry and drive you towards completing your goals, building that business or developing an extra source of passive income. For those of you that feel outraged when hearing this, then this video is for you. My aim is to change your perspective of the wealthy and turn that hatred into a lifelong mission to create and retain wealth. Firstly, we need to identify how you envision a wealthy person. Are they making snow angels in a pile of dollar bills, much like Scrooge McDuck? Or are they poisoning the environment like Montgomery Burns? Hollywood has contributed to that vision, that perception in film and television. But remember this, Hollywood is a land of fictitious stories. Your perception is far from reality. Wealthy people breathe the same air as you, drink the same water as you, and have the same 24 hours in a day you have. However, the similarities end here. Financial literacy. Think back to your school days. Were you taught about money? How about college or university? Were you taught about money there? Did your parents teach you about money? The reason you are poor today is because you were never taught the truth about money. Yes, you went to school, college, or even university. You probably have a job that pays you money for the hours you work. Money comes in, is spent on necessities like food, bills, a mortgage, and possibly a few luxuries here and there. But that's about it. Nothing is left behind at the end of each month. You are a minor component in a major machine. You were taught to climb the ladder when the rich were using an elevator. Yes, most of you will need to build your own elevator, but you need the necessary equipment and skills to do so. Here are the simple steps you can practice today to better yourself. Study successful people. Don't hate them. In school, you study textbooks to ace exams. In life, you study people to unlock success. There are so many walking, talking blueprints to a successful life out there, yet very few people are studying them. Live well below your means and stop wasting money. Regular middle-class people will quite happily gamble their money away, playing the lottery, hoping they will become rich. However, when it comes to building a business or even buying a stock, it is seen as a very risky thing to do. This literally makes no sense. Stop squandering money on new money brands like Gucci and Rolex and start living below your means and investing. Luckily for you, I have a video on how investing $100 per month will make you a tax-free millionaire. The link is in the description box below. Invest in yourself. The fact that you are watching this video shows me that you are educating yourself and investing in yourself. There is a variety of free online content on how to build wealth, and the Cuzza Finance channel will be a great resource. If you like this video so far, then please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me grow on YouTube. Thank you. To recap, study successful people. Don't hate them. Stop chanting "eat the rich" and complaining how little you have compared to them. Read books, watch documentaries, continue to learn and grow and improve yourself every single day. Kill your fixed mindset and develop a growth mindset. Live well below your means and stop wasting money. There is no point keeping up with the Joneses because this will keep you poor. Invest your time and money focusing on your financial situation and improve it. Look at this photograph. $171 billion and not a Gucci belt in sight. Now, I'm not saying dress like this, but you don't need to look rich. Just be truly wealthy. Buy good quality clothing, not new money designer brands. Invest in yourself. If you have a great idea, then make it reality. Start that business, make that investment, and enjoy the time you have. It will be a struggle at first, working every day and every night to achieve your goal. But remember this, it's all worth it, and you can use your money, power, and resources to change the world for the better. If you don't like what Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates are doing, then work your ass off to become a billionaire and compete with them. This is a game of winners, not whiners. Secret tip. If you have been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. Leverage the internet. We live in a world of hyperconnectivity. Information that would have taken months, if not years, to pass from person to person now takes a matter of seconds. Use this to your advantage. Don't be a Karen tweeting about why you want to eat the rich. Devote that energy to spreading a positive message or getting feedback on a new idea. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to become wealthy. Even though societal norms have orchestrated a life that is simply not worth living. This will become even more evident in the future as robotics and AI integration begin to replace jobs. The message in this video will become even more important. Your salary will begin to decrease because robots are more efficient than you will ever be. Robots don't get sick or demand a pay rise. No job is safe. The time to act is now. Become wealthy because $100,000 per year is the new broke. And the billionaire is the new millionaire. This information is completely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything, and I genuinely believe everyone has the chance to become a millionaire. And this is just one of the many methods out there. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the description box below. If you have not already, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.